Maitra English. Today we are talking about something very exciting: artificial intelligence or AI. AI is a technology that can help make our lives easier and faster. We will talk about what is AI, the benefits or good things about it, and also discuss a future kind of AI called AGI, which stands for Artificial General Intelligence. If you are learning English, that is a great topic to practice listening. I will use simple language and give examples so you can understand easily. Ready? Let's start. Part 1. What is AI? First, let's answer the question: what is AI or artificial intelligence? It's a type of technology that allows machine to do tasks easily that normally need human intelligence. For example, machine with AI can understand language, recognize image, solve problems, and even make decisions. You may have heard of Siri on iPhones and or Alexa from Amazon. These are examples of AI that we call narrow AI because they only do specific tasks like answer questions or playing music. Each type of AI has one main job. In the future, we hope to create a new kind of AI called AGI. This means artificial general intelligence. AGI would be a type of AI that can do many things, just like a human. It could learn new skills, solve new problems, and maybe even think like we do. But right now, AGI is still a dream. It's not real yet. Part 2. The pros of AI or why AI is good. 2 minutes. Now, let's talk about why AI is good and how it helps us today. First, AI makes things faster and easier. In factories, for example, machines with AI help build cars or other products very quickly. This saves time and money. AI also helps doctors and hospitals. For example, AI can look at x-rays and help doctors find disease early. This can save lives. Sometimes AI even helps in surgery, which makes the surgery more precise or exact. AI also helps in education or learning. With AI, students' calculations and are just right for them. With AI, students can get lessons that are just right for them. For example, if a student needs extra help with grammar, AI can give more exercises for grammar. It's like having a teacher who knows exactly what each student needs to learn. Another way AI is powerful is in security. Many banks and websites use AI to keep information safe. AI can see when something unusual happens, like a strange transaction on your cards. This helps protect people's money and personal information. Part 3. AGI and the future of AI. Now let's talk a little about AGI, which stands for Artificial General Intelligence. Remember, AGI would be a type of AI that can do almost anything a human can do. People are excited about AGI because it could help us make big discoveries. AGI could help scientists solve problems like climate change, make new medicines, or even help us understand space. Imagine a super smart robot that can do all of these things. But there are also some worries about AGI. Some people worry that if AI becomes too smart, it might replace some job. Also because AI learns from data, things like what we buy or where we go, it's important to make sure our personal data stays private and safe. So many people think that so many people think we should develop AI carefully so it helps us in a safe and positive way. Part 4. More reason why AI is beneficial. There are even more reasons why AI is helpful and beneficial. One reason is productivity. Productivity means getting things done quickly and well. AI can do simple, repeated tasks so that people can focus on more creative work. For example, if you work in a customer service center, AI can answer easy questions and you can focus on the more difficult ones. AI also helps us by finding patterns in big sets of data, like finding trends or favorite things. Have you noticed that Netflix or YouTube suggests shows or videos for you? That's AI looking at your fast choices to recommend more things you might like. Another great thing about AI is how it helps with accessibility or making things easier for people with disabilities. For example, speech to text helps people who can't hear well, and computer vision helps people who have trouble seeing. Part 5. How AI can help you learn English. Did you know AI can also help you learn English? There are language learning apps like Maitra English AI bot that use AI to make lessons for you. This app can check what you need to practice more and give you extra help. Link in description. You can conclusion. To sum up, artificial intelligence or AI is changing our world. It helps make our work easier, makes learning more fun, and it can help lives in healthcare. And in the future, we might see AGI, artificial general intelligence, which could do even more amazing things. AI is powerful, but we must be careful. It's important to use AI in ways that help people and keep our personal information safe. Thank you for listening. I hope this podcast helped you learn more about AI and also practice your English. If you like this episode, please share it with your friends and tell us in the comments how do you think AI could make your life easier. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next time, guys. Thank you.